NGS Erudite brings you landmark cases. Today we shall be discussing Keshwananda Bharati and others versus State of Kerala and another. 1973. The birth of the Basic Structure Doctrine. In 1973, the Supreme Court of India delivered a historic judgment that defined the limits of parliamentary power to amend the Constitution of India, safeguarding the Constitution's core values. Keshwanand Bharati was the head of the Ednir Mutt in Kerala, who became a pivotal figure in Indian legal history. In the early 1970s, he challenged the Kerala government's attempt to acquire the Mutt's property under land reform laws. His case, initially about property rights, evolved into a major constitutional issue, questioning the extent of Parliament's power to amend the Constitution. Specifically, it raised concerns about whether Parliament could alter fundamental rights. This legal battle led to the landmark Supreme Court ruling that established the Basic Structure Doctrine, safeguarding key aspects of the Constitution from being amended. The 24th Amendment, passed in 1971, was a significant and contentious change to the Indian Constitution. It was enacted in response to previous Supreme Court rulings in Golaknath v. State of Punjab, 1967, that limited Parliament's power to amend the Constitution, especially concerning fundamental rights. The amendment explicitly empowered Parliament to amend any part of the Constitution, including the fundamental rights enshrined in Part 3. This sweeping authority sparked widespread debate, as it was seen as a potential threat to individual liberties. The amendment became a central issue in the Keshwanand Bharati case, where the Supreme Court ultimately ruled that Parliament's power to amend the Constitution did not extend to altering its basic structure, thus preserving essential fundamental constitutional principles. The Keshwanand Bharati case was heard by an unprecedented 13-judge bench, the largest in Supreme Court history, highlighting its monumental significance. Over 68 days, intense arguments unfolded as both sides debated whether Parliament could amend the Constitution's fundamental features. The final decision was delivered by a narrow 7-6 majority, ruling that while Parliament could amend the Constitution, it could not alter its basic structure. This judgment redefined constitutional law in India. Basic Structure Doctrine, established by the Keshwanand Bharati judgment, asserts that certain core elements of the Constitution are beyond Parliament's amending power. These include the supremacy of the Constitution, the rule of law, the principle of separation of powers, judicial review, the independence of the judiciary, fundamental rights, federalism, secularism, and the democratic framework of the state. This doctrine ensures that these essential features remain intact, protecting the Constitution's integrity and preventing any drastic alterations by legislative actions. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel NGS Erudite. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.